Hello, today I would like to show you how to make these masks. It's got a pleat here in the center. Or reversible. So let's get started. Here I have my 100% cotton backing. And I have my facing as well as my Pellon interfacing. Each of these materials I have cut 6 inches by 9 inches. So 6 inches by 9 inches. And the fusible I have cut 5.5 inches by 8.5 inches. This way, when you lay it onto your material, you have that 1/4 inch trimming around, because you're going to be sewing 1/4 inch around. I am using the Pellon 950F. It states to cover with a damp press cloth and iron with medium setting. You will also need some 1/4 inch elastic. So here I have 1/2 inch elastic, and no stores have 1/4 inch elastic right now. So I'm making do with what I have. I will be cutting this in half to make it 2 1/4 pieces. Let's get our ruler, measure at 1/4, line it up, hold down your ruler onto the elastic tightly, and slice across. Now the way you will be joining these together, you will be outside material facing up, your back material will be laying onto your facing elastic. Corner, lay the top material onto that corner and put your clip on it to hold it. Make sure your elastic is not twisted, or make it corner here. And we're going to do the same to the other side. And now let's go to our sewing machine. I want to make sure that I leave an opening to turn my fabric around. So I'm going to lay this here So I know that when I go around, I'm going to stop here. This is going to be my opening. So let's start sewing. Let's do a back stitch. Always do a back stitch at the beginning of your sewing so that it will not come apart, especially since you're going to be turning the material around through that hole. You don't want it to rip. So hold your elastic there at the corner, 1/4 inch. Let's turn this. Here's my marking. I'm going to come up to that. Take it off. Hold my finger there. Back stitch. Now let's go turn this inside out. Here we are back at the cutting table. Here's our opening. See the 1/4 inch, how you only need 5.5 by 8.5. It gives you a 1/4 inch around the whole mask. So let's turn this inside out. Use your bone here. Here's your opening. You're going to want to press this. Fold this in half. Press. Fold this. Press. So let's go to the sewing table. Let's sew this. So 2 stitchings, 1, 2 stitchings, 1. You want a back stitch. This tool that I'm using is just my gauge to measure. I'm just holding the corner to hold this down. So let's do our second stitch on this side first. Back stitch. Let's sew this second stitch on the other side. And back stitch. Let's go back to our table. And here is the final product of the mask. Or reversible. I hope you've enjoyed watching this. Please hit that thumbs up button and please subscribe. Thank you for watching.